guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to start programs or application automatically when Windows 11 is started. By using this method, you can start or run any application, any software when our Windows 11 is started. Example as Adobe Photoshop, Premiere Pro, InDesign, Illustrator, CorelDRAW, or any other program that you want to start can start on our Windows 11 is started. Go to the start first, go to the start and type your program name. In this case, I want to Audacity. I type Audacity and right click on your Audacity symbol or the program symbol. Here we find open file location. Click on the open file location. Here we find our shortcut. If its shortcut is not fine, then create a shortcut at this point. In this case, my shortcut is fine. Right click on it. Click on the copy or Ctrl C. Minimize it. Go to the desktop, Ctrl V or right click on it and click on the paste. And here we find our shortcut. Next step is go to the start. Type run. Click on the run. Here type shell :startup. I give this in the YouTube description. Copy it and paste it at here in run and click on OK. Here we find our startup program. Copy this shortcut to the startup program. Go to your shortcut, right click on it, copy it and paste it, or drag and drop is also work. Close it. Go to the start, power button, restart your machine. Now machine is restarting. Our machine is start. Wait for a few seconds. It takes few seconds. After a few seconds, Audacity or your software is automatically start or run on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, this is the simplest way to start program automatically on Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.